Welcome to Extreme Web Designs. This is Rocky. In this video, we will see how to turn on Bluetooth in Windows 10. So once you're on the desktop, in the lower left-hand corner of the screen, click on the Start button or simply tap the Windows button on your keyboard. Once you do that, simply start typing the word Bluetooth. And in the list of results that pop up, click on the one that says Bluetooth and other device settings. And in this section, just simply look at the option that says Bluetooth and notice that it's off right now. So simply toggle it by just clicking on it. And from now on, this device, in my case, this is the laptop, so it will now be discoverable as the ID provided over here. So if you want to pair this with any other device, simply click on the plus icon and it will start by asking you for adding a device. So if you want to connect any other Bluetooth device such as a keyboard or an audio headset or a speaker, simply click on this option. Or if you have anything else such as a wireless display or dock, click on this one. And anything else such as game controllers, you can choose the last option. So in my case, I want to try this out. So let me click the Bluetooth option. And now it's scanning for other Bluetooth devices that could be in the vicinity of this device. So in my case, I have another device that is in my vicinity. I know who this belongs to. But in your case, if you find any other Bluetooth device that you would like to connect to, simply click on that and it will show you the next prompts. So in my case, let's say I want to connect this to this Bluetooth device. I'm going to click on this and it says connecting. Now this is showing me a PIN number that I need to validate with the other device that I'm trying to connect to. So once the PIN numbers have been validated, you can simply click on the connect button to pair the two devices. If you don't want to continue the operation, you can simply click on the cancel button. And that's exactly what I'm going to do because I don't want to do the pairing right now. And simply exit out of the entire screen by clicking on the cancel. And if you would like to turn off the Bluetooth functionality, just toggle the button back to the off position and no Bluetooth device can be connected with this device. So that's how you can toggle a Bluetooth on or off. That's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you found this video to be helpful, please feel free to hit the like button, leave a comment, share it on social media, and subscribe to the channel. Soon after you subscribe, make sure to tap the bell icon located right next to the subscribe button to receive all future updates. Thanks for watching.